Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install smart meter integration using Sense and utility rates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a compatible smart meter installed at your property. Visit the Sense website to create an account if you haven't already done so. Log into your Sense account. Locate the Settings tab on your dashboard. Click on Energy Monitoring to access the energy settings. Select the option for Smart Meter Integration. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details such as the meter brand and model. If prompted, provide any required authorization or permissions. Make sure your smart meter is online and communicating with your Wi-Fi network. Check your smart meter's display for any error messages. Once connected, return to the Sense dashboard. Here, you will see your real-time energy usage data. Next, navigate to the Utility Rates section under Settings. Select your electric utility provider from the list. If your provider is not listed, you may need to enter your rate details manually. Input your current electricity rate plans, including any peak and off-peak rates. Review all the entered information for accuracy. Save your settings to apply the changes. After saving, your Sense device will begin to analyze your energy usage based on the utility rates. Monitor your dashboard for updates on energy consumption patterns. Adjust your settings as necessary to optimize your energy savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.